Over 80% of people who use baking soda have no idea what it's truly capable of. That's right. This humble white powder, sitting quietly in kitchen cupboards around the world, is more than just a baking ingredient or a fridge deodorizer. It's one of the most underrated natural remedies out there. In fact, many experts consider baking soda to be the most overlooked healing substance on Earth. Think about it. How many times have you reached for baking soda to make cookies, clean a sink, or freshen up a musty closet, without ever wondering what else it could do for your health? What if I told you that this common pantry item holds powerful secrets that could change how you approach wellness? So why don't more people talk about it, and what exactly are we missing out on? In this video, we're uncovering the remarkable health benefits of baking soda that most people have never heard of. I'll also explain who should be cautious when using it and share essential tips to help you use it safely and effectively. If you care about your health and you love discovering simple, natural tools that can make a real difference, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our health-focused content. Also, let us know where you're watching from in the comments below. We'd love to connect with you. Now, let's explore the surprising health benefits of baking soda. 1. Natural detox support. Baking soda isn't just a cleaner for your home. Some people believe it can help clean the inside of your body too. Here's how. When dissolved in water, baking soda becomes alkaline, meaning it can help neutralize excess acid in the body. That's why some people use baking soda baths, not just for skin soothing, but to support overall detoxification. These baths are often used to calm rashes, reduce irritation, and leave the skin feeling refreshed. While scientific evidence on detoxing through the skin is still being explored, many users swear by the noticeable comfort and relief they feel after a soak. But internally, the science gets even more interesting. Some health experts and studies suggest that drinking a small amount of baking soda in water may help alkalize your system, making it easier for your body to flush out toxins. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation helped slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the blood. That's a big deal. So yes, under the guidance of a doctor, baking soda may play a role in supporting detox efforts, especially in people dealing with specific conditions. But here's the catch. Your body is already very good at balancing its own pH, and overdoing baking soda can lead to unwanted side effects. So moderation is crucial. Used wisely, it could be a simple, affordable way to help your body feel more balanced and refreshed. 2. Brightens your smile and boosts oral health. Ever brush your teeth with baking soda? If you have, you probably remember how clean and smooth they felt afterward. That's because baking soda acts as a mild abrasive. It scrubs away surface stains from coffee, tea, or wine, making your smile look brighter. And unlike many commercial whitening treatments, baking soda is gentle when used correctly. It polishes without causing significant damage to your enamel. It's no wonder so many natural toothpaste brands include it in their formulas. Beyond whitening, baking soda also helps fight harmful bacteria in your mouth. Its alkaline nature can help neutralize acids and maintain a healthier environment for your gums and teeth. But baking soda's benefits go far beyond just a whiter smile. Its alkaline nature plays a key role in supporting overall oral health. You see, the mouth is often a breeding ground for bacteria, especially in acidic environments. When acidity rises, harmful bacteria thrive, which can lead to cavities, gum disease, and even chronic bad breath. Baking soda helps by neutralizing that acid, creating a more balanced pH environment where those bacteria struggle to survive. The result? Healthier gums, fresher breath, and a lower risk of oral issues. And there's science to back it up. One study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpaste containing baking soda was significantly more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth compared to those without it. Another study showed that baking soda helps reduce the number of harmful bacteria in the mouth, reinforcing its role in protecting your dental health. That said, a little goes a long way. Because baking soda is mildly abrasive, using it too frequently or brushing too hard can gradually wear down tooth enamel. Dentists recommend using it only a few times per week and always with a soft bristled toothbrush. When used the right way, baking soda is a simple, affordable, and effective way to maintain a healthier, brighter smile, right from your bathroom sink. Next up, natural relief for heartburn. If you've ever felt a burning sensation rise from your stomach into your throat after a big or spicy meal, you're not alone. That discomfort is known as heartburn, a symptom of acid reflux, where stomach acid escapes into the esophagus. Several things can trigger this, from rich foods to weight gain, pregnancy, or underlying conditions like achalasia or eosinophilic esophagitis. While many people turn to commercial antacids, there's a classic home remedy that's fast, effective, and probably already in your kitchen. Baking soda. Mixing just 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and sipping it slowly can offer near-instant relief. Why? Because baking soda, being alkaline, neutralizes excess stomach acid, the root cause of that burning feeling. This isn't just old-school advice. The medical community acknowledges sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, as a fast-acting antacid. A review published in Gastroenterology and Hepatology supports its effectiveness for providing quick relief from occasional heartburn. It's a simple, accessible remedy, no trip to the drugstore, no expensive treatments. Just water, baking soda, and a few minutes. That's all it takes to feel better. Next, antifungal power. Fungal infections are more common than you might think. Whether it's athlete's foot, ringworm, or skin irritation in moist areas, these itchy, flaky conditions are caused by fungi that thrive in warm, damp environments. While there are plenty of store-bought creams and sprays, there's a natural, low-cost solution you might already have on hand: baking soda. What makes baking soda effective here is its ability to alter the environment that fungi depend on. When applied to the skin, it creates an alkaline layer that weakens fungal cell walls, making it harder for them to grow or spread. This isn't just folklore. The antimicrobial properties of baking soda are well documented, and many natural health advocates use it as a mild treatment for fungal skin issues. It can be sprinkled into shoes to prevent athlete's foot, added to foot soaks for relief, or mixed with water into a paste and applied directly to irritated areas. While it's not a replacement for prescription treatments in severe cases for mild fungal issues, baking soda offers a safe, natural alternative that many people find effective. This remedy isn't just old-fashioned wisdom passed down from grandparents, it's supported by science too. A study published in the journal Mycopathologia found that a baking soda solution, 10 grams per liter, was able to inhibit the growth of 80% of the fungal strains tested. That's an impressive result, highlighting baking soda's potential as a natural antifungal powerhouse. The best part? It's easy to use. You can make a simple paste by mixing baking soda with water and applying it directly to the affected area. Or if you're dealing with something like athlete's foot, just add it to a warm foot bath. Many people report feeling relief from itching, redness, and discomfort after just a few treatments. Because baking soda is gentle, non-toxic, and free of harsh chemicals, it's an ideal option for people with sensitive skin or those looking to avoid synthetic treatments. If you're struggling with persistent fungal issues, this affordable home remedy might be just what you need to feel more comfortable and confident in your own skin again. Next, may help relieve urinary tract infections. UTIs. UTIs are incredibly common, especially among women, and they're anything but pleasant. The burning, the constant urge to go, the discomfort, it can really disrupt your daily life. While antibiotics remain the primary treatment, some people turn to natural remedies for extra relief. One of those is baking soda. So how does it work? Baking soda is alkaline, which means when it's mixed with water and consumed in small amounts, it can help reduce the acidity of your urine. This shift in pH creates a less hospitable environment for the bacteria responsible for UTIs, making it harder for them to grow and possibly easing the symptoms. Lowering acidity can also reduce the burning sensation that makes UTIs so painful in the first place. In fact, research supports this approach. A study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology followed 33 women with recurrent UTIs. As part of their treatment, they were given sodium bicarbonate. After just 4 weeks, many of the participants reported significantly less discomfort and pain during urination. Now let's be clear, baking soda should never replace proper medical treatment, especially if symptoms are severe or ongoing. But when used wisely and alongside your doctor's guidance, it may offer a gentle and affordable way to support urinary health and ease irritation. Next, can it help with canker sores? If you've ever had a canker sore, you know how something so small can cause such a big problem. Eating, drinking, even talking, everything hurts. Canker sores, or aphthous ulcers, often show up due to stress, mouth injuries, or reactions to certain foods. Thankfully, baking soda may offer a fast and natural way to get relief. Why baking soda? It helps neutralize acids in the mouth, and creates a more balanced pH, which is key, because an overly acidic environment can irritate the sore and slow healing. A simple rinse made from half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water can work wonders. Swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds, a few times a day, and you may start to notice the pain easing and the healing process speeding up. And yes, there's research to back this up. A study in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that sodium bicarbonate mouth rinses significantly reduced pain and accelerated healing in people with recurring canker sores. The researchers concluded that baking soda offered a safe, effective, and affordable solution for managing this common condition. Baking soda's mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties play a key role in soothing canker sores. It not only helps keep the sore clean, but also limits bacterial growth, both of which are essential for faster healing. And unlike some over-the-counter gels or treatments that can sting or irritate sensitive tissue, baking soda is gentle and non-invasive. So the next time you feel that familiar sting of a canker sore coming on, try a simple rinse using baking soda and warm water. It's a natural, science-supported way to ease discomfort and promote healing, straight from your kitchen cabinet. Next up, boosts exercise performance. Here's something surprising: that little box of baking soda in your pantry might just give you an edge in your next workout. It's true, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, isn't just for baking cakes or cleaning up spills. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts have been using it as a performance booster for years, and there's good science to back it up. Here's how it works. During intense physical activity, your muscles produce lactic acid. This buildup causes a drop in pH levels, leading to that familiar burning sensation and muscle fatigue that forces you to slow down. Baking soda acts as a natural buffer. It helps neutralize the acid in your muscles, delaying fatigue and allowing you to train harder, longer. In fact, a meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research reviewed numerous studies and concluded that sodium bicarbonate supplementation significantly enhanced performance in short bursts of high-intensity exercise, including sprinting, swimming, and cycling. Athletes reported being able to maintain their peak performance longer before exhaustion set in. Typically, those who use this method mix about 1 teaspoon of baking soda with water and drink it about an hour before training. But it's important to start small. Taking too much can cause stomach discomfort, bloating, or nausea. If you're looking for a natural and research-backed way to push through that performance plateau, baking soda might be worth exploring. Just be sure to talk to a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine, especially if you have any medical conditions. Next, may help support kidney function. Now let's talk about something even more remarkable: baking soda's potential role in supporting kidney health, particularly for those living with chronic kidney disease, CKD. CKD affects how well the kidneys remove acid from the blood. When that acid builds up, it leads to a condition called metabolic acidosis, which can worsen kidney damage over time. That's where baking soda may help. As a natural antacid, sodium bicarbonate works to reduce acidity in the blood. This reduction can ease the stress on the kidneys, potentially slowing down the disease's progression. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology followed patients with advanced CKD and metabolic acidosis. The findings were impressive. Patients who received daily sodium bicarbonate supplementation experienced a significantly slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't. They were also less likely to develop end-stage renal disease, requiring dialysis. Not only did their kidney function decline more slowly, but their blood bicarbonate levels, a key marker of acid-base balance, also improved. Of course, baking soda isn't a miracle cure, and it absolutely should not be taken without medical supervision. Excessive use can lead to complications like high blood pressure or fluid retention, particularly in people with existing health concerns. But under the guidance of a doctor, baking soda may offer a simple, low-cost way to support kidney health and give patients a little more control in managing their condition. If you or someone you know is living with chronic kidney disease, CKD, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional before considering baking soda as part of your routine, especially for those with heart or kidney issues. But when used wisely and under proper medical guidance, this simple household ingredient may play a surprising and meaningful role in protecting kidney function and improving quality of life. Next, baking soda may relieve arthritis pain. Imagine easing arthritis pain with something as simple as baking soda, an everyday item hiding in your kitchen cabinet. Arthritis, especially rheumatoid arthritis, is a chronic condition fueled by inflammation, leading to joint pain, stiffness, and swelling that can make daily life difficult. While many rely on medications and physical therapy, emerging science suggests that baking soda might offer a gentle, natural way to help manage these painful symptoms. In a 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology, researchers found that drinking a daily solution of baking soda and water had a surprising effect on the immune system. It appeared to activate anti-inflammatory responses while calming the overactive autoimmune reaction behind conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Both animal and human participants showed reduced inflammatory markers, and immune cells shifted toward a more balanced, less inflammatory state. In simple terms, baking soda helped the body reduce the internal fire that causes joint pain and swelling. This research opens up exciting possibilities for people living with arthritis. A daily baking soda drink, taken under medical supervision, could become part of a broader routine to help ease discomfort and improve mobility. While more studies are needed to confirm long-term results, the early findings are promising. And a reminder that sometimes relief can come from the most unexpected places. Next, baking soda may help manage gout symptoms. Gout is a particularly intense and painful form of arthritis. It often strikes without warning, a sudden sharp pain in the big toe or another joint, accompanied by swelling and redness. The underlying cause, a buildup of uric acid in the blood that forms painful crystals in the joints. Managing gout typically involves lowering uric acid levels and easing inflammation. And here, too, baking soda might offer some help. Because it's naturally alkaline, baking soda can help neutralize excess uric acid in the bloodstream. This may reduce the likelihood of crystal formation and help the body maintain a healthier pH balance. A study published in Arthritis and Rheumatism found that alkalinizing agents like sodium bicarbonate can assist in dissolving uric acid crystals and promoting their elimination through urine, offering relief during flare-ups. Many people find that mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drinking it slowly can ease symptoms during an attack. It's not just about pain relief. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory effects may also reduce swelling, making movement easier and less painful. Still, as with any remedy, caution is key. Baking soda should always be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional, particularly for those managing other health conditions. When used safely, this simple solution could be a powerful ally in your fight against gout, providing comfort, reducing flare-ups, and helping you get back to daily life with less pain. If you're dealing with gout symptoms, baking soda might just be the simple solution hiding in your kitchen cupboard. Its ability to neutralize excess uric acid and ease inflammation makes it a natural, science-backed remedy worth discussing with your healthcare provider. Next, baking soda alleviates cold and flu symptoms. When cold and flu season strikes, even the simplest daily tasks can feel exhausting. A scratchy throat, a stuffy nose, and lingering congestion can leave you drained and uncomfortable. But relief might be closer than you think, right in your pantry. Baking soda, with its natural alkaline properties, can be a surprisingly powerful ally in easing cold and flu symptoms. It works by helping to break down stubborn mucus, making it easier to clear your sinuses and breathe freely again. If you're battling a blocked or runny nose, this small step can make a big difference. One of the most effective ways to use baking soda during an illness is as a gargle. Mix half a teaspoon into a glass of warm water to create a soothing solution for your throat. Gargling with it helps calm irritation, reduce pain, and flush out bacteria and viruses from your mouth and throat. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that regular gargling with baking soda significantly reduced throat irritation and microbial load, speeding up recovery from upper respiratory infections. You can also add baking soda to saline nasal rinses to further help clear out congestion. It breaks down mucus and neutralizes acids, helping your body return to balance and recover faster. So the next time you're under the weather, skip the harsh chemicals and turn to this gentle, science-supported remedy. It's yet another example of how some of the best solutions are often found in the most familiar places, like your kitchen shelf. Next, baking soda may help support cancer treatments. It might sound surprising, but baking soda is gaining attention in scientific circles for its potential role in supporting cancer treatment. While it's not a cure, emerging research suggests that this common household item might one day complement existing therapies in meaningful ways. Here's why. Cancer cells tend to thrive in acidic environments, conditions that not only promote tumor growth, but also make cancer cells more resistant to chemotherapy. Because baking soda is naturally alkaline, researchers have been studying whether it can help shift the pH in and around tumors, making the environment less hospitable for cancer and more responsive to treatment. A pivotal study published in Cancer Research in 2009 explored this idea. In the study, mice with metastatic breast cancer were given sodium bicarbonate injections. The results were striking. The acidity around the tumors was reduced, which slowed the cancer's progression and made the cells more susceptible to chemotherapy. This raised the possibility that baking soda might help improve treatment outcomes by changing the tumor microenvironment. Currently, researchers are investigating whether antacids like baking soda could be safely used alongside chemotherapy in human patients. But it's important to be clear, this area of research is still in its early stages. While results from animal studies are encouraging, more human trials are needed before baking soda can be recommended as part of any standard cancer treatment. If you or a loved one is navigating cancer, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare team before introducing any supplements or alternative therapies. Baking soda is not a miracle cure, but one day it may become part of a more holistic approach to treatment. Until then, it's a promising area of research that continues to shine light on the surprising ways natural substances may support human health. Finally, baking soda as a natural deodorant. If you've been searching for a simple, natural way to stay fresh throughout the day, look no further than your kitchen cupboard. Baking soda might just be the clean alternative you've been looking for. Unlike commercial deodorants packed with artificial fragrances, aluminum, and harsh chemicals, baking soda offers a gentle, effective solution straight from nature. How does it work? Baking soda neutralizes the acidic compounds in sweat that cause body odor while also absorbing moisture. This creates an environment where odor-causing bacteria can't thrive, helping you stay odor-free even on the most hectic days. And this isn't just a DIY hack, science backs it up. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm odor when applied topically. Its alkaline nature helps balance the skin's pH and minimize unpleasant smells without irritating additives. For those with sensitive skin or anyone looking to avoid chemical-laden products, baking soda can be used on its own or blended with a bit of coconut oil for extra moisture. Just dust a small amount under your arms and you're good to go. Whether you're headed to the gym or out in the summer heat, baking soda keeps you feeling clean and confident. Of course, skin sensitivity varies, so it's wise to do a patch test first. But for many, baking soda is an affordable, eco-friendly alternative that supports both your well-being and the planet. Who should be cautious? While baking soda boasts a wide range of health benefits, it's not the right choice for everyone. Certain individuals should approach it with caution, especially if considering regular or high-dose use, whether applied externally or taken internally. People with kidney conditions need to be especially careful. Since baking soda contains sodium, those with impaired kidney function may struggle to eliminate the excess, increasing the risk of fluid retention or other complications. Similarly, if you have high blood pressure, the added sodium could elevate your levels even further. Those dealing with gastrointestinal conditions, such as gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux, should consult their doctor before using baking soda. It can alter stomach acidity, which may worsen symptoms. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also use it sparingly, as excessive intake can disrupt electrolyte balance, potentially affecting both mom and baby. Individuals with sensitive skin may experience irritation, while others could face digestive discomfort or allergic reactions. Always test a small amount first and avoid inhaling the powder, especially if you have any respiratory issues, as it can irritate the lungs. In all cases, moderation is key. If you have any underlying health concerns, talk to your healthcare provider before making baking soda part of your wellness routine. A final thought: as we've seen, baking soda is so much more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a powerful natural remedy with a surprising range of uses. From soothing sore throats and easing arthritis pain, to managing gout, boosting exercise performance, and even supporting kidney health, its benefits are backed by both tradition and science. But like any remedy, it works best when used wisely. So take a thoughtful, informed approach and always listen to your body. Have you ever tried baking soda for any of these uses? Or do you have your own tips and stories to share? We'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might benefit too. Thanks for watching and being part of our community. We've handpicked 2 videos just for you. Click on one to keep learning, and we'll see you there.